vast expanse of space, amidst the cold and relentless advance of a monstrous alien fleet, a single human girl named Kira found herself thrust into a pivotal role. Captured from a humble supply ship, she became an object of curiosity to the Pran, who saw her as nothing more than a weak, primitive creature. However, beneath her timid exterior lay a formidable secret, a neural network implanted in her since childhood, intertwining code and circuits within her mind. This hidden power, a relic of her past, remained dormant until the Pran's condescension ignited a fierce determination within her. Seizing upon the opportunity, Kira embarked on a clandestine journey through the ship's systems, her mind a digital phantom navigating unseen corridors of data. Despite the Pran's belief in their technological superiority, they remained blind to the true extent of her abilities. With each minor disruption she caused, Kira honed her skills and chipped away at the Pran's defenses. Her ultimate goal, to infiltrate the heart of their network, the captain's personal terminal, and cripple the fleet from within. As Kira's confidence grew, so too did the magnitude of her actions. What started as subtle glitches evolved into calculated sabotage, each maneuver bringing her closer to her objective. Then, amidst the tension of her covert operations, came the news that would alter the course of her mission. The fleet had a target in its sights, a vulnerable point waiting to be exploited. And in that moment, Kira knew that her destiny was intertwined with the fate of not just herself, but of all humanity. The Prolians eagerly anticipated conquering a civilization, their excitement palpable as they anticipated the spoils and glory of slaughter. Kira, consumed by a cold rage, refused to let them claim another world. Despite knowing the risks, including almost certain death if she failed, she was determined to prevent the annihilation of another species. Transforming her fear into icy focus, she decided to rebel. Kira carefully laid her trap, orchestrating a subtle sabotage of the Pran ship's core systems, causing a cascade of malfunctions. The chaos that ensued briefly exposed the Prolians to vulnerability before order was restored, planting a seed of doubt among them. As the malfunctions persisted, suspicion grew among the Prolians, accustomed to unquestioning obedience from their technology. Meanwhile, Kira, hidden in her cell, continued to escalate her sabotage, manipulating the ship's systems undetected. With her mind wired into the alien warship, she became a formidable force, orchestrating its downfall. Redirecting the ship's targeting systems towards the Pran fleet itself was her final, audacious move, albeit one fraught with terrifying consequences. Kira, utilizing the immense power of the fleet's weaponry, turned it against its own masters, causing chaos and destruction within the Puroan armada. With a surge of effort, she manipulated the targeting systems, leading the Puroans to unwittingly attack their own flagship. The resulting mayhem led to the disintegration of the Puroan fleet. Despite the victory, Kira felt the weight of her actions, knowing she had taken lives and shattered the pride of the Puroans. She then communicated Earth's triumph over the Puroans to her captors, solidifying her role as a pivotal figure in the conflict. In the aftermath, Kira's legend spread among the human ships, hailed as a hero for her decisive actions. However, she remained focused on the practical aspects, assisting in the study and adaptation of the captured Puroan technology. As Earth moved forward with cautious optimism, Kira found herself grappling with the consequences of her actions and the sense of confinement in her new quarters. Conferences were replaced by endless debriefings and medical tests, as scientists viewed Kira less as a savior and more as a specimen to be studied. Her implants, once her secret weapon, were relentlessly examined, with researchers eager to exploit the potential of human-machine synergy. Kira faced the unsettling prospect of having her implants extracted due to fears of their misuse, despite being the only known human capable of communicating and adapting to such technology without disastrous consequences. Haunted by nightmares of losing control and the suffering she inadvertently caused, Kira resolved to request reassignment to the Exploration Division. She approached her superior officer, expressing her desire to be assigned to a mission far away from the scrutiny and potential danger her abilities posed. Despite the officer's initial hesitation, Kira's determination to ensure her abilities were used responsibly earned her respect, and she was swiftly reassigned to a long-range exploratory vessel called the Horizon. On the Horizon, Kira found solace in exploring uncharted territories, each new discovery offering the promise of beauty rather than terror. However, her past experiences lingered, and when the ship stumbled upon the remains of a charred and lifeless colony, presumably attacked by pirates, Kira's fury was ignited. Determined to take action, she covertly manipulated the Horizon systems to track down the pirate vessel. Utilizing her expertise, Kira tightened the net around the pirates, driven by the familiar thrill of pursuing justice. The thrill of the hunt surged through Kira as the Horizon executed a flawless trap, immobilizing the pirates with surgical precision. Watching from the shadows, Kira witnessed the efficient neutralization of the pirates, achieving victory without descending into the feared role of a monstrous adversary. Yet, amidst the relief and accomplishment, Kira couldn't shake off a sense of unease. Reflecting on the ease of the battle, Kira pondered whether humanity had grown overconfident in their newfound strength, especially after their victory over the Puruans. She grappled with the unsettling realization that the universe was not simply divided into good and evil, and that the defeat of the Puruans may have painted a larger target on humanity's back, drawing the attention of even more sinister threats lurking in the depths of space. Seeking clarity, Kira approached the captain, expressing her concerns about the pirates and the potential implications of their encounter. The captain, acknowledging Kira's insight, granted her permission to expand the observation net, signaling a shared understanding of the shifting power dynamics in the cosmos. Unable to find solace in sleep, Kira delved into the Horizon systems once again, not for control, but for observation, recognizing that humanity had evolved beyond mere frailty but had yet to grasp mastery over their fate. As she contemplated the myriad potential threats looming in the vastness of space, Kira embraced her role as the ghost in the machine. Determined not to be caught off guard, Kira's implants thrummed with energy as she diligently scanned the void beyond, her gaze piercing through the darkness like lasers. With a resolve to uncover any lurking threats, she embraced the responsibility of shaping her own destiny and that of humanity. Though daunting, it was also a thrilling burden, knowing that her actions had potentially altered the course of their species' future.